Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. What we've secured today is this 2010 Discovery 4 with a Starline i96 Pro. So the way the system works, obviously if someone got a hold of this key or cloned this key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it simply just won't start. So to start this vehicle, it can be paired with the customer's phone, or we can go through a push sequence using factory buttons. And the way you use the buttons: ignition on, pop the code in, hear our disarm tone, and now we can start the vehicle up. If the customer wants to change this code, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any combination of the supported factory buttons. So the combinations are totally up to the customer. And the way you change the code on this vehicle is ignition on. We first have to disarm the system, so we'll put the disarm code in. Get our disarm tone. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition. Now it's ready to learn, so just change to that button there. Get our confirmation and repeat that again. And that's the code learned, so we'll just turn the vehicle off. So to test that, give it 10 seconds. We won't start this vehicle, but we'll show you the process. So to test it, ignition on, pop our code in, get our disarm tone, and at this point we can start the vehicle. If the customer wants to take this to Range Rover and put it in service mode, so as if the immobiliser doesn't exist, that can be done by first disarming the system, getting our disarm tone, then pressing any button that we know works 11 times, ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps, and then it's a factory car. So it's as if the immobiliser isn't fitted. Obviously once they get it back, they want it protected again. All you need to do, ignition on, put your disarm code in, and instead of the normal tone, you'll get 2 bleeps to confirm it's out of valet mode. So if you want to get your vehicle protected, we're Immobiliser Fit, and we've installed the Starline i96 Pro on this 2010 Discovery 4. So give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.